In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use two WhatsApp accounts simultaneously on your Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to Settings. You can easily do so by tapping at the Settings app icon on one of your home screens. Or you can just swipe down to show up these quick actions, and that's where you can also find gear icon, and by tapping on that icon we'll be taken to the settings. Now guys, on settings we are looking for the option which is called advanced features. On the next step we just need to scroll down until we find dual messenger. And that's where we can easily find all the applications that supports that feature. And here all we have to do is just turn on the toggle next to WhatsApp. Down below here in this pop-up it says that you will be able to sign into another WhatsApp account in the second copy of the app. But first off we need to install it by tapping right here. Then hit add confirm. Also, we can use separate contacts list for the secondary application. We can turn it on or we can keep it off. Now I'm gonna hit next, and down below here it says that unless we turn it off, our contacts list will be shared between your main and second apps. To continue, I'm gonna hit OK. And now second copy of WhatsApp has been successfully installed, and we can easily find it if we swipe up to go to our apps library. Here is the first one and there is the second one. We can long press on it, tap at add to home to put the second WhatsApp icon on our home screen, and that's how we can use simultaneously two of our WhatsApp accounts. Simply open up the second app and go through all of this process by entering all the necessary data and by entering your another login data such as a phone number and password. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.